Okay, for what we have in the WebAssign worksheet that I have given, we have for the first problem, it says to find the area of the region by integrating with respect to x, and then we will look at finding the area by integrating with respect to y. And at least for the first video clip, okay, we will do the integration with respect to x. And if you notice, between the graphs, okay, we have the linear function y is equal to 12 minus x, which is sloping downward, and we have the parabola opening upward, that graph representing y is equal to x squared. Okay, and we have between the contact points, or the points of intersection, okay, we have y is equal to 12 minus x will be continuously above y is equal to x squared. Okay, so making reference to this graph. We have, in the case of the very first item, we have y is equal to x squared, y is equal to 12 minus x. And if we look at the locations upon which the graphs intersect, okay, we can set x squared equal to 12 minus x. And then we can solve for x, putting this setup as a quadratic equation in standard form, so we can move the x and the 12 and arrange the terms in descending degree order. And here we have an expression that is factorable. And with the zero product property, okay, we have the values of x to be at -4 and 3. And for what we have regarding the points of intersection, okay, so whenever x is equal to -4, y value would be in correspondence to 12 minus -4, or y is equal to the square of -4, and that would be at 16, so we have -4 is 16. And also whenever x is equal to 3, we have 3 squared is 9, 12 minus 3 is 9, and so we have going from -4 16 to 3 9. Okay, and once again, okay, so we have going from -4 16 to 3 9. 12 minus x is above x squared, so you could think of the relativity along the lines of vertical slicing. Okay, so 12 minus x is continuously above x squared between the points of intersection. And so we have for the area, if we determine by integrating with respect to x, as x proceeds from -4 to 3, okay, we have 12 minus x, again, is above x squared. So again, think of the upper function minus the lower. And here we have straightforward, okay, the immediate application to apply the power rule. Okay, no like terms are combined, so just going ahead with the power rule, we have 12x minus x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 as x goes from -4 to 3. And as we look at substitution, with the upper limit at 3, okay, the corresponding values we have at 36, -9 halves, 3 cubed is 27, over 3 is 9. That being subtracted, we have -9. Now working with the lower limit at -4. Okay, 12 times -4 is -48. And then we have -4 squared is going to be at 16 divided by 2, subtracting we have -8. And then we have -4 cubed is -64 over 3, subtracting -64 is going to revert to adding 64 over 3. And as we look at combining the terms all together, the resulting area in this case will be at 343.6. Okay, you can write this as a mixed numeral or give a decimal approximation, but we do have the exact value of the area to be at 343 over 6.